Hey guys, in this video, I'm trying to explain how we can get a notification if one particular EC2 instance changed status. So let us assume you have a very important EC2 instance and that instance is stopped suddenly. So how we can get a notification, and generally the notifications comes in JSON format. So we are going to modify the JSON format into our required or customized formats. All right, for that I'm navigating to EC2 and quickly I'm going to launch an EC2 instance. So I'm selecting Amazon Linux 2 AMI, T2 Micro, and I'm going with all the default options. So I'm creating a new security group, review. However, I'm not going to log into this EC2 instance, but I just created a key pair. All right, so here I have an EC2 instance. And now that EC2 instance is in pending state, and in a minute it is going to change its status to running state. So let's assume this EC2 instance is very, very important. And when it got changed its status, or suddenly it got stopped, or it got terminated, or it is changed its instance state to pending state, immediately I want to notify one particular email or multiple emails. So that so here we are going to use an SNS topic to get that notifications. So let's quickly create an SNS topic and add a couple of subscribers there. So then we will configure events. So here under application integration, you can find simple notification service. Navigate to simple notification service. Navigate to topic. Create topic. And here, what is the topic name? So I'm going to call this as instance alert. So the topic name, I'm giving instance alerts. So then scroll down, create a topic. All right, one topic got created, but we do not added any subscribers here. So create subscribers, and I'm going to add one subscriber. I'm adding subscriber via email, and I'm giving an email where I want to receive notifications. Then scroll down, create subscription. Subscription got created here, and you can observe the status is pending confirmation. So whatever the email ID we have given here, we need to log into that particular email ID, and we need to confirm the subscription. Just observe here, so it is showing a topic name, and just click on confirm subscription, and so subscription got confirmed for this particular email ID. So exactly same way, how many subscribers you have given, you need to log into all those email IDs, and they need to confirm the subscription. Then only they are going to get that notifications. So now let's navigate to CloudWatch, and there we are going to create an event. So when any of the instance status change notifications detected, immediately we want to trigger an SMS notification on a particular topic. So let's navigate to AWS Management Console, and under Management and Governance, you can find CloudWatch. So let's navigate to CloudWatch. So here in left pane, you can find events option. Click on get started. And here event pattern. So I've selected event pattern, and select the service name. So I want to get notification related to EC2. So I'm selecting EC2 here. And event type. Do you want to get notification to all the events? No, right? So I just want to get notification to EC2 instance state change notification. Or else if you want to get notification related to snapshot or volume and multi-volume snapshot completed, spot instance interruption behavior, request fulfillment. So you can get notification for all these events. So now I'm going to select EC2 instance state change notification. Then, do you want to get notification for any state or specific states? So I want to get notification when instance is in stopped state and when instance is in terminated, I want to get a notification. Again, do you want to get notification for all the instances or do you have a specific or important EC2 instance? So I'm going to select specific instance and here grab the instance ID and give the instance ID. If you have multiple EC2 instances, just add one more fields here. You can add all those EC2 instances. Now, just navigate here and click on Add Target. So when this event occurred, I want to trigger an SNS topic and that SNS topic name is Instance Alert. So here, click on Configure Details and give a name. Instance Notifications, and I'm going to enable this config role and click on Create Role. All right, one CloudWatch event got created here. Let's quickly test that. So now let me stop this EC2 instance. I'm stopping this EC2 instance. So once this instance state got changed to stopped state, immediately we are going to get a notification. The CloudWatch is going to monitor the status here. All right, so instance state got changed to stopped state now. And if you log into your email ID, and here you can see it is received, we received an email that is something related to this notification. And if you observe, so this is something in JSON format actually. So be difficult to read or be difficult to understand. Of course you can, but if you take a minute or two, they can definitely understand what is the instance ID and what is the current state. It is top state in what region this happened. So what is the details type and what is the source and all. So we can even customize this. To customize this, so let's go to CloudWatch Events. Whatever the rule we have created, select that rule and just navigate to Actions and click on Edit. So earlier what we did, we have simply given an SNS topic, but here we have an option called Configure Input. So select Configure Input and here we have an option Input Transformer. Whatever the notification we are getting, so we can customize that by using this Input Transformer. Select the Input Transformer. Here we need to provide input path and input template. So when coming to input path, so I'm going to get information like an instance ID, state, time, region, and account. If you have multiple AWS accounts and all, you can just give this account ID also. Now just give that input path. Now what is the message you want to get? So I want to give an input template. So I'm giving this input template under this section. So when instance state got changed, it is going to pick at this particular time status of your EC2 instance. Then it is going to, whatever the instance ID it grabbed here, it is going to pick that instance ID and it is going to list here in this particular region, whatever the region we are defining it here. I mean, it is going to pick automatically and it is going to list here. Then it is going to give the information. So if you want to add account also, so you can even mention that in this particular account in you can just give in this account and all. So that is purely our option. So now I just given that and I'm modifying. Click on configure details and update role. We have modified SMS template. Let's give it a try. So now I'm going to start this EC2 instance. We configure to get notification when instance change its status to only stopped and terminated. So I'm just running this EC2 instance. Once it changes its status to running, I'm going to stop this EC2 instance, and we are going to observe the email, how exactly it's looking like and all. So now it is in running state. Let me quickly stop this EC2 instance. Once instance is stopped, we are going to get a notification. Instance is stopped, and just give a quick refresh, and here you observe we got a notification. And if you observe here, at this particular point of time, status of your EC2 instance, and here it is showing that instance ID in AWS region, and it is picking the region automatically, has changed to stopped state. So you can just observe we are getting all notifications as we configured here in the input template. So if you want to terminate, like we configured to get a notification, if we terminate the instance also, right? So I'm just terminating this EC2 instance. So for that also we are going to get a notification, and we will get it in configured format. See here, we got a notification, and status of this EC2 instance in this particular region has changed to terminated. So that is how exactly we can get a notification when instance state got changed, and that too in a configured custom format instead of the JSON format. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you.